this is Michelle with Pink and Main. Thanks for joining me today. I'm super duper excited to share 2 new subscription products for us. Now we already have our Crafty Courtyard kit, which is our monthly card kit. But now we are adding a stamp of the month and a stamp and die of the month. So when you place an order for the stamp of the month, you're going to get a 4x6 stamp set, and it's going to be shipped to you free in the US. When you order the stamp and die of the month, you're going to get a stamp 4x6 set and its coordinating dies for $24 shipped free in the US. Now that's a $15 value for the stamp of the month for $12 and a $31 value for the stamp and die of the month for $24. And they are shipped free in the US. We do have to add additional shipping for international, and we apologize, but shipping is just so expensive these days when you ship it anywhere outside of the US. This is our first month, so this set is going to be shipped on April 10th to all our new subscribers. It's an adorable little set with these little dragons, and they're celebrating a birthday or just a special day. If you love our cute, whimsical critters and adorable characters, you're gonna love our Stamp of the Month subscription. And just like with our Crafty Courtyard monthly card kit subscription, if you subscribe to our Stamp of the Month or the Stamp and Die of the Month, you're going to receive 15% off any other purchase on our website. That's an awesome perk for our subscribers, but it's not the only one. We love to spoil our subscribers with throwing in little freebies here and there, and also giving you special deals throughout the year. So definitely head on over to pinkandmain.com and check out our subscription products. Until next time, my friends, keep living the creative life.